Hi guys, just a quick clip to help you calculate how much your major project is going to cost you this year. So with this one here, on Daymap, I've got a template. If you highlight, select it, copy it and paste it into your document, it will help you with the layout that you need to effectively calculate what your material cost is going to be. So for this particular one, this student came through and made a bar stool. They have labelled all of their legs, the top supports, the bottom supports, the material for the seat, and from memory this particular project also had a side table that was attached as well. So they've got all of this calculated. So they've got all of their parts and everything labelled in their table. So they've got 4 legs, they've used radiata pine, and they've stipulated that the height of this is going to be 900 mil. Okay, so they've then come through and gone, this is the current price. Check the current price at the moment. Timber prices are changing all the time. So check the current Daymap note to tell you what the price of the material is that you're after. And then I'm going to show you now how to do the calculations to get the overall cost. So I'm going to use this top rail. I'm going to launch up my calculator. So from here, I need 4 pieces of this material. So in the calculator, I'm going to be going 4 times. Now the length that I need here is 210 millimeters. To convert that into meters, I just pop a decimal point in first, so that it's 0.21. Okay, so I've got 0.21 of a meter. I'm going to go equals, and this will give me my overall meterage. So I don't quite need a full meter for the material for my top rail. Using the price that's on here, as I said earlier, it's different for you because the material costs change all the time. So check what the current material cost is that you need. But on here, as an example, this one here is 0.99 of a dollar. So I'm going to go times 0.99, and that gives me 83 cents. 0.16. So usually you would round this up or down depending on how much the outlier is there, but we've got 83 cents. So that's how we've gone with the top rail. We've gone 4 multiplied by 0.21 equals multiplied by 0.99 equals 83 cents. So you're going to need to do this for each of the rows of material that you need. So if you're making something quite small, you might only have a couple of these. If you're making something quite intricate, you might have a few extra rows added. And then from there, we simply just add up the far right-hand column. Okay, and that will give us our total cost. If you're wanting to put a surface finish on here at school, the cost of a pot of lacquer, which will get you about 2 coats on an average size project, is about $10. So add that one on, your total cost is $23.97 or whatever yours adds up to be. And then you can see Mrs. Taylor for a cutting and costing sheet to pay student services.